the baby. Y'all, I'm so excited for this giveaway. You have no idea. I'm super excited. What's up, you guys? My name is Shayna Wheatley, aka Miss Kisses or Miss Red Kisses if you must. And I'm coming to you today with a special video that is so dear to my heart. I am doing a prom dress giveaway. Yes, you heard it right, a prom dress giveaway. Not one, not two, but a few. For sure. I have 2 new dresses and I have some other lightly used dresses that I am going to be giving away. I'm super excited and stay tuned to get the full details on everything. So this dress, I'm sure you recognize it from the intro. This is a dress that I bought at Forever 21. It is still available now if you decide not to join the contest and you want to get it yourself. But if you want to win it, you can win this dress. It is a size 2 to 4, I would say. It's a small, but I know it can fit size 2 to 4 because I am a size 2 and it kind of fits me a little big in the back. So I'm pretty sure it can fit a size 2 or 4. Now, if you win this beautiful dress, you also will win a corsage made by my mother. She does a lot of gift baskets and decorations. So I asked her to donate her time and make this beautiful corsage for me, as you saw in the video from before. So you will win the dress and the corsage, and last but not least, you would win a gift card to Burju Shoes. Thank you, Burju Shoes, for donating a gift card. I really appreciate it, and I'm super blessed to have you guys a part of this giveaway. So if you want to know how to win, stay tuned. This next dress is so beautiful. It's a cute short blue dress with these cute little detailed on the, what is it called, the bodice top, I believe? On a cute bodice top, and you're gonna just look fabulous in this. Just look at this dress. It's so cute. And it's a size 4, I believe. But like I said, just make sure you look at what I'm wearing and kind of figure out the size on that, because some of these dresses do not have a size, and I am a size 2, so you can figure it out what size you might need on me. So this next dress is, I don't know what color this is, but it's a beautiful multicolored dress and it comes with the shawl, and it is pretty long, and it what size is it? I believe it's a size small or something. It fits pretty big on me, so I think it can be somewhere between a size 4 to 8. I'm not too sure, but I believe so. Now this next dress is a new dress that I bought myself, and it is this beautiful royal blue lace, and I don't know the other material, but it's a beautiful royal blue lace dress, and it stops short at the front and it kind of goes all the way down at the back of it. It is a size medium, so if you're a size medium and you can fit somewhere between a 4 to a 6, then this dress will be for you. This next dress we have here is a size 10, and it's a beautiful 2-tone green dress with some sparkles on it, self-explanatory, and it has a little, I don't know how to explain it. It goes up at the side. It's beautiful, it's cute. If you want to win it, let me know down below. Hey, bars again. So this next dress, it's a beautiful detailed white short dress with, I would say, it's blue beading or blue jewels on it, and it would fit like a size probably 2, 4, or a 6. You can kind of see from when I have it on and figure it out because it doesn't have a size on it. Okay, so this purple dress is beautiful, but unfortunately it is a little messed up where you can't really wear it out. So if there's anybody out there who wants to be so generous and do an amazing DIY to this beautiful dress to make it into a complete new dress for someone to have for prom, hit me up and let's see if we can work something out, because I feel like this would be super cute to turn into a DIY and have someone look special on their special night. So let's jump right into the rules. First, you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Then you have to make sure you are following me on my Instagram page, and I will be checking to make sure you're following on both. Next, you have to let me know which dress you want and the date of your prom. Also, I would love for you guys to write down, nothing too lengthy, but how within the last month or two, how you gave back to someone, how you paid it forward, how you helped out, something of the sort to someone else. It can be big, it can be small. I just want to know what's happening out there in the world and how people are able to give back and help people out. This contest, unfortunately, right now is only for the US, and I'm sorry about that, but I'm just starting out, and right now, US is the only one that I can do for right now. If you know someone who wants to go to prom and they want a dress, definitely tag them in the post. If you know someone wants to help somebody else out and you know they know someone, tag them in the post. Anything of the sort, tag them in the post. And for those of you who do win the contest, I will be contacting you through your DMs, and then I will tell you to send me your email address and then email you so I can get your address and send you your perfectly amazing dress. Hold up, wait. Before this video is over, I want to give a special shout out to all of these people. They're going to be listed in the video because I do not want to forget anybody's name. So everybody you see listed, thank you guys so much for helping and participating in this giveaway. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Before I go, there are a few people who wanted to help out and give me their used dresses, but they could not send it to me in time. I will be getting them, and for now, I'm going to show you a picture or a video of what the other dresses you can win look like. And I will also put any details below about the dress. Thank you guys for tuning in to this special video with me. I hope everyone has an amazing prom, whether you decided to get a dress from me or you decide to buy it yourself. Definitely slay, slay, slay all day at your prom. And I will definitely say, do not forget to subscribe, to follow, and to tag anybody who you feel would want to do this giveaway. This is not going to be my last giveaway. It is my first, so I'm super happy about that, and thank you guys for watching.